José P. Laurel was for the Japanese, and the rest of us regarded him as anti-American. And he was tried after the war or something, and I don't know exactly. It was not nice how he was treated. But on the other hand, it led me to my one early philosophical interest, namely collaborationism. What makes a person a collaborator? And later on I learned about the French collaborationists and World War II collaborationists. And
Can you explain a little more where this philosophical idea came from?
Actual seeing José P. Laurel collaborating with the Japanese and other Japanese, and the temptation. As a matter of fact, there were several tempting offers even from me. I was invited. I met a philosophy professor of all things. Very strange. It's like it was all preordained, but it really wasn't. It was an accident, small country. And I met this, his name was, he was a priest. His name was Mara. And he said, the German club would like it if you could send 10 pounds of sugar to the German club. But I said, but there's a Nazi flag, and that's not right. And he said, yeah, but you get some money. And I thought about it, and I did it. Because I thought giving sugar to the Germans wasn't really as bad. But it was collaboration. And had I been truer to what I should have been, I never forget the money. That's what I should have said.